What is tired in Korean? If you want to say I'm tired, you can say 피곤해. Again, 피곤해. This is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. The first syllable is pi, second syllable is kon, and the third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. 피곤해. 피곤해. How do we write this in Hangul? First, we need to draw a P character followed by the E character. That's it for the first syllable. For the second syllable, gon, we need to draw a Gia character followed by an O character followed by a Neon character. For the last syllable, he, we need to draw a Hiot character followed by an E character. And then we need to combine. Now, you already know what is tired in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.